Find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. So here we have matrix Z and we're being asked to find the determinant. So the way I like to think of it is we're going to try to find the product of going forward, right, because this line's going left to right, minus the product of going backwards. So it's always forwards minus backwards, which is pretty easy to remember. So forwards, left to right, is 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8, right? 4 times negative 2. And then we're subtracting the product of the numbers when we go backwards, when we go right to left. So the product of negative 7 and 3 is negative 21. So now we're going to go ahead and do negative 8 minus negative 21. So minus negative is the same as plus positive. So 21 plus negative 8 is equal to 13. So 13 is the determinant of matrix Z. Okay, go ahead and try this one on your own. Find the determinant of matrix @ sign. Go ahead and pause the video and try it out. Okay, so to find the determinant of matrix @ sign, we're going to remember it's forwards minus backwards. So first, going forwards, right, going left to right, top to bottom, we're multiplying 4 and negative 4. So 4 times negative 4 equals negative 16. And then we're going to subtract the product of going backwards, so right to left and top to bottom. So 10 times 3 equals 30. So now we have 16 minus 30, right? Because the product of these two numbers, right, going left to right, and then the product of the two numbers, or minus the product of the two numbers going right to left. So 16 minus 30 is equal to negative 46. So if you got negative 46, you are correct. Okay, here's one more practice problem. Go ahead and pause the video and find the determinant of matrix # sign. Okay, so first we're going to find the product of these two numbers, 4 and negative 2, which is equal to negative 8. And then we're going to subtract the product of these two numbers, which negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. So it's minus negative 24, which is the same as plus positive 24. So 24 minus 8, or negative 8 plus 24, is equal to 16. So if you got 16, great job. Okay, now we're being asked to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So here's how you go about doing that. First, you're going to want to take these the first 6 numbers in the matrix, or the furthest left 6 numbers in the matrix, and you're going to want to move them to the outside, or rewrite them on the outside. So 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, negative 3. Next, similar to what we did in the 2 by 2 matrix, you're going to want to find the product of these 3 numbers, right, going forward, these 3 numbers, and these 3 numbers. So step 1 is move the numbers out, or rewrite the numbers on the outside. Step 2 is you're going to find these products, and then so the product of these 3 numbers plus the product of these 3 numbers plus the product of these 3 numbers. You're going to add them. So add, we'll call them the forward products because we're going left to right. So add forward products. So let's go ahead and do that. 1 times 5 times 0 is 5, plus 4 times 1 times 3 is 12, plus negative 2 times 2 times negative 3 is negative 4 times negative 3, which is positive 12. So 0 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So that's the sum of our forward products. Now next, instead of starting on the top left, we're going to start on the top right, and we're going to multiply these three numbers, and finally these three numbers. So, and add them. So the third step is add, we'll call them our backwards products. So add backwards products. So 4 times 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 times 1 times negative 3 is negative 3, plus negative 2 times 5 is 10, or negative 10 times 3 is negative 30. So 0 plus negative 3 plus negative 30 is equal to negative 33. So that's the sum of our backwards products. And just like in the 2 by 2 matrix, we're going to do forwards minus backwards. So we're going to take our forwards number, which is 24, and then we're going to subtract our backwards number, which was 33. So negative 33. So minus negative 33, which is the same as plus positive 33. So 24 plus 33 is 57. So the determinant of this matrix is 57.